15 minutes down the trail, there's a cave with a bar inside of it. You can stop and get drinks there. We just ask you to turn your headlights on when you get inside the cave.
How do I do that?
Your headlights right here.
Oh, okay.
And forward and reverse is right there.
Okay.
The only place you're not allowed to get out of your car is inside the cave. Other than that, feel free to get out wherever you like. There's no time limit, so you can stay out there as long as you want, take as many pictures as you want.
Cool.
If y'all don't have any other questions, y'all are good to go.
No,
Okay,
thanks,
thank
man.
you.
Appreciate it. Top of the Rock Golf Cart Tour. Lost Canyon Cave and Nature Park Trail is part of the 462-acre Top of the Rock Ozark Heritage Preserve. Wonders of Wildlife. That's a cool place. We recommend going there if y'all haven't. It's at the original Bass Pro Shops in Springfield, Missouri. It has a pretty nice aquarium in there, as well as a large exhibit of different taxidermied animals. Features the different national parks, other things like that. So that's something that's definitely worth checking out. So again, we're at Top of the Rock, which is a place here right outside of Branson. It's Big Cedar Lodge, which is owned and operated by Johnny Morris and his folks, who is the guy that is the founder of Bass Pro Shops. Going through a tunnel. I think I heard a bear. In the world? There's a first waterfall, so you can pull over. We can see it. How you doing, guys? Good.
What's a cannonball taste like?
Sweet, fruity.
Sweet and what?
Fruity. I will try that,
You
probably.
want that? Okay, cannonball. No, you can have that.
For a few more years, buddy.
Do you have root beer?
There's no Sprite, Diet Coke, Dr. Pepper, or we got strawberry peach lemonade.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Cold water, huh?
Favorite tire, is that the real? It's probably a cow.
This place is pretty sweet, though. I'm enjoying it. You like this place here, Lennon?
Oh,
It's pretty neat, huh?
there's water dripping from
There's a roof.
Oh, mother!
There's a roof.
Frito!
Put the roof up, Dad.
That takes away the fun, though. Yeah, that takes away the fun.
almost down now.
It's a bad place to drop your phone.
No, it was up there. I know.
It's fun. It's peaceful. It's a very peaceful place, isn't it? Lights off, y'all. dare you to take your hat off, stick your head in there.
No!
I dare you.
Should I?
I dare you.
Okay. Whatever you say.
If you do it, I'll do it.
Really? Fine, I'll do it.
I don't think we can, though. I think that's too far away from us. I don't think it will work. It won't work. It won't work.
It's a little wet.
It won't work to do that, man. Promise you it won't. All right, that's all you can do. Stop. Did you get some?
Yeah.
You did?
No.
Please swing wide. Be all right. It'd be better to come here in the fall with all these trees. All the leaves will be different colors. You know what I mean? Instead of just green. This is a really great way to spend a Saturday morning, huh? This was cool.